What are you guys going on? So today I'm going to be talking to you about the Timex Ironman. This is the Essential 10 watch. It's a really cool watch overall. I'm not typically a watch guy. I have one that really kind of like a nice leather one that my girlfriend got me a while ago for a birthday. And I also got this one. It's very cheap, but very great watch overall. I wanted a pretty much like a solid watch for running, surfing, just kind of a sport watch, I guess you could say. Something where I can basically have the time on me at all times, but also, not have to use my phone or anything like that. And so this has been just really awesome. And there are a lot of reasons why I love it. First of all, Timex. I've always trusted Timex as a watch company. Make great watches. Over, just in all from these kinds of watches to the higher end ones. They're cool. The other one that I have is also a Timex as well. Very clean, slick black design. As you can see, very slim profile, incredibly lightweight. One thing I love about it, you really kind of forget that it's on your wrist. Even especially when you're in the water, sometimes I forget that you're wearing it because it's so light. One thing that I do like is that it's very simple, very streamlined, very straightforward kind of watch. There's no unnecessary graphics, extra buttons, things that you don't really need. It's kind of a watch without all the bells and whistles, which is cool. It just makes things so much more simple, and then there's some products that I like where, okay, this is, especially with all the technology now, it's nice to kind of revert back to something that's a little bit simplistic. It's a bit refreshing, I guess you could say. It's a 10-lap memory start watch, as you can see. It's 10-lap. So you can get laps in if you want, which is nice. You basically just switch modes up here. It's pretty typical, pretty standard sort of feature on these kinds of watches. But on the side, you can see the countdown timer, as you can see right there, the corner of the timer right there. And then it also gets you to the alarm, as you can see right there. So you can set an alarm. Button over here that is labeled, which one is it? We have a couple buttons, right here. Glow, right here. This one basically just makes it glow. Again, pretty standard thing. It's actually pretty bright though. It's kind of hard to tell with the phone, but pretty bright, especially when you're underwater. It's very helpful. Just kind of typical backlight. The strap feels very tough on this thing, which is another thing that I love, even though it's very flexible. It's made with some sort of rubber, I would imagine, some sort of resin, maybe that's on top of it. Almost feels like maybe almost silicone, but I'm not totally sure on that. It's very flexible. But also very strong. You can really pull and bend at this thing. It's not going to rip or tear or bend out of place or whatever. It feels very tough, very durable. Buckle closure right up top here. That's made out of metal. Pretty much the only thing on the band of the watch that's made out of metal. Also feels very strong. It's kind of sewn on there or molded on there pretty tightly with the rubber material. The watch really overall does exactly what I need it to do. It's more convenient in terms of telling time as a smartphone would be, except that you can wear it on your wrist. You don't have to hold it on your hand. You can get it wet, which is great. It is fully waterproof. I don't believe it's rated for diving. I know there are special diving watches. I know what it's rated for, like swimming, surfing. Even I've taken this thing snorkeling before. It's been great, Never had an issue with it, getting weird in the water at all. And, the great thing is I don't really have to worry about, breaking this. Even the face of it, which is just plastic, feels very durable. I can kind of press on it. You don't get like that, weird rainbow screen kind of when you press on a digital face and it kind of turns a little pixelated and colorful. You don't really get that, which is nice. One thing I will say is that the functions are a little bit finicky on the sides. So it kind of takes sometimes a while for it to recognize that you're pushing a specific button. But yeah, they just sometimes maybe don't work a bit right away as you're touching them. But other than that, it's great, very simple watch. If you're someone who maybe needs a watch for when you're doing out activities, working out, swimming, surfing, running, hiking, whatever you do, I'd highly recommend this one. It's just it's so nice and so simple. Again, it's the Timex full-size Ironman Essential 10 watch, and yeah, check it out. Alrighty guys, take it easy.